everyone, my name is Pranita Kaududerkar and today we discuss about the topic of drug discovery and drug development. So firstly we see that the drug design. Drug design, it is the process of designing or discovering the new medication or the drug which are used in the treatment of disease, and it is process to find out the new drug which is from the variety of natural resources or synthesized in the laboratory. Drug discovery involve the four steps such as the target identification, target validation, lead identification, and lead optimization. So firstly we see that the target identification. In the target identification, which can identify the molecular of the drug targets which have the small molecule such as the proteins or the nucleic acid, and it is important for the researchers to help to understand how they work. And next one is the target validation. In the target validation, we can confirm the potential of the drug, whether it's suitable for the further development or not. And third step is the lead identification. In that lead identification, we can observe the molecules which have the desirable biological effect. And last step is the lead optimization, in which we can molecule can molecules which improve their effectiveness and safety. And next one is the drug development. So drug development, it is the process of bringing the new pharmaceutical drug into the market once the lead compound is optimized by the process of drug discovery, or it is the process of identifying that designing drug into the vigorous testing or for the approval prior to the prescribed to the patient, or the launches into the market, and which have the stages such as the preclinical testing. So first one we see that the preclinical testing, it can be conducted on the animals to check the effectiveness, safety, and pharmacokinetic of the drug. Once the researcher find out the promising drug molecule, then they gather information how they work on the body, such as the drug metabolism, absorption, distribution, and excretion in the body, how they how's the mechanism of action, potential of the drug, or how they react with the other drugs. These can be information gathered on the preclinical trials. And another one is the INDA, that is investigation new drug application. Investigation new drug application, which have the seeking permission for the human clinical trial after getting the positive result from the preclinical trials, and it is submission towards the FDA for seeking the permission for human clinical trial. And next one is the clinical trial. So a clinical trial has the phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. In the clinical trial can be conducted on the humans. In the phase 1 have the called as the human pharmacology, which involves the smaller group of people, such as the 20 to 100 people involved in this stage. It can check the safety, side effects, base dose, and formulation methods of the drug, and also the tolerated dose of the drug by the human without any side effects. And next one is the phase 2. In that phase 2, called also called as the human therapeutic exploratory trial, in which the obtain the biological or clinical effect of the drug, and also obtain the prevalence of the data, whether the drug works on the people who have the certain diseases or the condition. And phase 3 which involves the 300 to 3000 peoples, which also called as the therapeutic confirmatory trials, in which the safety and effectiveness of the drug can be confirmed, and it can be comparison with the existing drug. And next one is the regulatory approval. Regulatory approval, which involves the NDA, that is new drug application. If the three phases have the positive response, then sponsor can submit the report to the regulatory authorities for the drug approval and launches into the market. And last one is the post marketing surveillance. Is that post marketing surveillance, which involve the pharmacovigilance and ADR monitoring of the drug, can be done, which involve the long-term safety and long-term side effect of the drug, and other related problems can be monitored. So these are about the drug discovery and development. Thank you so much.